And we're back to learning Gimp in the year, day 22. Let me show you how you can colorize images. As I've shown you in the last couple of videos, it's a good idea to keep the original and duplicate it, and we'll then work on a copy. When I have a simple color photo filter, go to Colors and use Colorize. Make sure Preview is checked. And then you can use the sliders right here, hue, saturation and lightness to adjust that. And when the preview is checked, you can see the effect in real time applied. You can also click on a color swatch and then, for example, use the color wheel and then pick a color that you want. Once you've got it, confirm, and you can see this adjusts the sliders automatically. But I think the best way is to do it directly here via the sliders. Once you're okay with it, you can see the FX sign, but if I confirm, it's going to vanish. So the current version that I'm using hasn't ported the colorization here to the non-destructive editing via FX. Maybe in a future version that's active, but it's a good idea to keep the original as I've said in the beginning, because now we can simply copy it and perform the colorization again. And that's the benefit of having the original always as a backup. It's just one extra layer and it's going to save you a lot of time, a lot of hassle whenever you screw up or you simply want to redo an effect. And that's the basic way to colorize images in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.